has stopped violence, they are still welcomed as they came.
Yena ke lo umiphi. Limiphi leli khehla leli. Wezuma. Sikhathele lento yakho yokuyishaya emuva uyishaya phambili. Asikuzwa, yazi asikuzwa. Uthini wena? Kule nkinga esibhekene nayo wonke ama-politician sesiwabonile ukuthi achoose iside elilodwa lawa nje aseyivezile. Wena asikuzwa ukuthi uthini, asikuzwa nje. Uthini Zuma? Uthini Zuma? Wena Zuma njalo wena. Wena gedle ihlekisa. Mina ngiyayibuza nje ukuthi uthini? Wathula kangaka wena Msholozi wena. Ikhona impethu la kuwe. Ikhona impethu la kuwe wena Zuma. Mina phela ngisona isilima, angisona nje isiphukuphuku mina. Mina ngiyawubona umsangano mina. Amasimba nje avela nginukele mina. Ngivele ngiwabonda amasimba ke lawo. Uyabo? Ngeke ithi country ivutha kanje. Umuntu onjengawe Msholozi athule nje abumba umlomo. Ngizwile ispeech osenzile lapha ispeech leso senzile uthi angeke sixoshe umuntu, angeke sixoshe umuntu. Amasimba lawo. Masimba lawo. Ngelinye ilanga sathi silwa la eSouth Africa. Bahamba abantu bokufika bangena emabhasini. Wababiza wena Zuma wathi ababuye. Nangempela babuye. Kunje Zuma kuqale ngethena yakho ngesikhathi usawu president. Ila khona ama foreigners avele abuya ngoelethu ngesikhathi kade siwaxoshile, siwashisa, siwabhonya, siwaphihliza, siwakunquma laphana. Baleka asinda lapha, baleka thatha amabhasi agoduka. Wena Msholozi wathatha ama-podium. Wenza izipishi wathi wena ama-foreigners awabuye. Wena Msholozi wena wenza izilima lezincela mthondo. Thina singomakhanya nje siyakubona wena. Siyakubona wena Msholozi. Sikubona kahle wena. Wena siyakubona wena. Siyakubona wena Zuma. Wena Zuma siyakubona. Yabona nje ukube kuya ngami ma-South African ayingavotelwa lemsunu le. Lezinja lezi amasimba zonke lezinja lezi. Masimba zonke lezinja lezi. Njoba kiwa okhethweni nje lo hulumeni beyindawo angavotelwa lemsunu le ngoba ivotelela ukuthi intshontshe imali yenza ama corruption igcwalisa ama illegal foreigners ezweni lethu. Yini sinivotelela yona nini? Ngoba yikho into esigaina ngokuvota kwethu. Sigaina wonke lamasimba eniwakhulumayo, nisibiza ngama-xenophobic, nisibiza ngama-tribalist, nisibiza ngazo zonke lezi inhlunu lezi enisibiza ngazo. After sesinivotelile. Kulokhu nikwenze kahle impela nikwenze singakanivoteli. Ukube bekuya ngami. Ngabe akekho umuntu oyokavotelela emisunu le. Yeah. Hayi shit man.
Njengoba nje kukhona lolu daba ukuthi omama bebeyidayisela baphucwe abantu bokuhamba. Manje abanye bafuna ukuyidefenda leyo nto. Nanku umhlolo. Kanti likabandeliswa. Elikabandeliswa. Manje sokhohliswa abantu abakhuluma too much. Hayi, ibani nomusa kulaba bantu. Ababe nomusa in the first instance uma bengena la. Oh yeah.
Ngicela ukukhuluma kancane ngoBaba Zuma. Hayi MKP. ke kopa bua ka Ntate Zuma insofar as this fight against illegal foreigners, South African fight against illegal foreigners is concerned. Khuluma ngobaba Zuma kuphela. Finiso mele ukuthi silikhulume liphelele. Liphelele. No favors, nothing. Sizolikhuluma thina bani. Mina ubaba Zuma ngiyamthanda ne. I like the old man. Suka kudala. Kodwa mina ngimthembi number ubaba Zuma mina. Ubaba Zuma akaqala kuba ipresident yaga MKP. Waqala kuba ipresident ye ANC. Namanje ubaba Zuma the last time sicheka usalwela ukuthi recognized as an ANC member. Iqiniso le. Kune court case, I don't know where it ended up. I was not following that. Where ubaba Zuma is fighting ukuthi he's still a member of what you call ANC. That so ubaba Zuma was a president of the ANC. Was first the premier yaga KZN at the dawn of democracy or something. He was there. Waba deputy president of the country under ubaba Mbeki. No, yes. And then he became the president of the country. Right? With outright majority, defeating ubaba Mbeki. We Polokwane conference. Sonke siyayazi, very famous history. Ubaba Zuma. Ake sikhulume ukuthi the first time kuba ne invasion in I call it invasion mean. Ama Guptas landed at a waterkloof. These are private citizens. Landed at a waterkloof. What you call airport, which only ambassadors and dignitaries of countries and presidents are permitted to land. Kodwa kwalanda a certain family from India, and they had a wedding lapa in Sun City, and then serious ANC bigwigs attended that thing. There was a big hoo-ha about it in parliament back then. Ukuthi bayithole kanjani clearance laba bantu ukuthi balende lapha. Who gave the authorization? Namanje awukakacaci ukuthi kwenzakala. Khuluma ngo Baba Zuma me. Ake siqhubeke. Kwaba nento ukuthi one of the Gupta brothers, amaphepha wakhe were not proper. Ngikhuluma ngoba Zuma kuphela, ngikhuluma MKP. Cela ukuthi ungathi ngoba ibengekho yeMKP ngalesi sikhathi. Nonke beni ANC. So he was an ANC president. Ngikhuluma ngoba Zuma kuphela mina. Angikhulumi MKP. MKP into yayizolo. It's now thing. And then ayiphuma ku-ANC. Kodwa ngiphuma ngoba Zuma. Ama-Gupta brothers, one of them, when Malusi Gigaba was a minister of Home Affairs, waba nemfihli lapho amaphepha wakho wabona dipampiri tsabona kubani they were not proper somehow. Malusi Gigaba played some sort of a whatever. I do not know how they managed to get those papers right, but it was found good he doesn't even have the right papers to even have businesses or certain businesses. One of the Gupta brothers to even get funding or certain business, whatever. I can't remember the story properly, but there were his status in the country did not allow him to have certain privileges that he already had. Only citizens were allowed. Watholakala ukuthi no laba bantu abangena kahle. It was a big thing. Ngikhuluma ngalento anti illegal foreigner thing. Esilwisayo manje. Ake siqhubeke. When it comes to le fight esilwayo manje, Ubaba Zuma, when he was a president, this thing rose up again by Abantu Bagitla KZN. And then he went and said, no, we were assisted as a president by countries outside they never treated us bad. Nathi awumelanga ukuthi sibatreat bad. Lento sizoyilungisa. Washo kanjalo Baba Zuma as the president of the country. Waba khona futhi abantu base KZN a certain section futhi bayisusa le ndaba ukuthi hayi akekho umuntu ozoxoshwa la. Sifuna ukuthi abantu ba document. Akekho umuntu uzoxoshwa. These things that I'm saying are public knowledge or they're publicly available. Angikhuluma into engekho. Ngikhuluma ngoBaba Zuma mina. Angikhulumi ngeMKP. Ngikhuluma ngoBaba Zuma phe. So when he comes now to say ukuthi he's singing the song of ukuthi umele ukuthi laba bantu bafunani right now recently ngale ndlela akhuluma ngakhona he has changed. He has changed his position. Into engifuna ukuyikhuluma ukuthi angimthembi mina uBaba Zuma. No Max Makanya wakhuluma ukuthi kahle lo baba ume kuphi. He's got a video Max Makanya ukuthi mina angazi ukuthi ume kuphi uBaba Zuma. Akakhulumi angazi ukuthi kube akaqaqisi ukuthi ume kuphi. Why khuluma uMax? So I'm saying this thing to say don't say Imach and Match is a Win Yaga MKP. Ngoba aksiyona iWin Yaga MKP and it's not funded by EMKP Imach and Match. It is a authentic people's movement from the ground. Ningayidibanisi ne MKP ninabanye when you trying to discredit Imach and Match. Aksiyona into ya MKP. Yes, there are people members of MKP on their own individual basis as citizens that are supporting Imach and Match. Njengamanye abantu as different members of certain political parties or supporters of political parties that are supporting Imach and Match because they are supporting it because it raises the concerns of the citizens. They are not supporting it as members of those political parties. So please, this thing Yaga Match and Match aksiona into Yaga MKP or aksiona underground what of MKP aksiona ngai tibanis. This is an authentic movement of the people. Yeah, bon.